Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today's video we are trying to clean these dirty shoes. Love white shoes, okay? Don't get me wrong. I love white shoes, but I hate how dirty they get and I cannot find the perfect cleaner to clean them. I can never find like the perfect shoe cleaner to clean any of my shoes. It's from like UGG shoe cleaner to Shoe Palace shoe cleaner, like nothing worked. And a brand reached out to me and they're called Simple Shine and they sent me some of their products. So we're gonna test it out today, see if it works, see if it cleans my shoes. And I thought this would be like a fun little video on like some shoe cleaning stuff, because I always watch videos like how to clean like your Nikes and I can never find it. So I have 2 pairs of Nikes because these got so ruined and gross that I had to buy a new pair, which are my platform ones. And those I keep in like pristine condition. But these have seen its day. Like, look at how disgusting they are. They're absolutely like so gross. So we're gonna clean them. They sent me some products. So they sent me their shoe wipes and they also sent me their shoe cleaning kit. So we're gonna test out the shoe cleaning kit and see what the deal is. So they give you some like, what are they? Microfiber. They give you 2 microfiber cloths, a cleaning brush, and some cleaning solution. So I'm gonna take everything out of the box, put the box behind me, and we're gonna try to clean our shoes. They're so gross. Guess I'm gonna start by like spraying some of this. This is the shoe cleaner. Do I have to shake it? I don't even know. And I'm gonna spray it on my shoe here. What part should we do? Let's do this front part. Okay, here's like the before. How dirty they are. They're so gross. Hold on, I'm gonna take a before picture so that way we can compare. As you can see, it's so dirty, like literally disgusting. I don't even know what is on these. Like, ew. Okay, let's just try it. All right, so I'm gonna spray it all over. I'm gonna brush it. Holy, oh my gosh. Oh my god, this works. Look at how clean they are. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Compared to this one. This literally is the best day of my entire life. Alright, so I'm really just scrubbing. That looks so clean. Like bright. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do the whole shoe and I'll be right back. So I just cleaned this shoe body. I want to show you guys the difference. Here's this shoe. Like, looks so clean, right? And then here's this dingy, disgusting shoe. Like, do you see that difference? Look at how clean they are. Like, that's insane, guys. My mind is like blown right now. Like, do you see how clean my shoes are? Do you see that? What? What? Shoe fanatic. Like, I would keep these in my purse because I hate when my shoes like get dirty. So that way you can like quickly wipe something off if like you stepped in mud or you spilled something. So yeah, I'm just kind of going over the shoe with this wipe, and it makes it so like shiny. Oh my gosh. Okay, can't believe that my shoes look like this. They were so dingy before and gross. And I don't even know if the camera really did its justice to show you how dirty they were. It really does work. Like, I am so impressed, guys. Oh my gosh. They're so clean. Like, I've tried sticking these bad boys in the wash, didn't work. Okay, so I'm so impressed. Wow, so here is the brand again. It's called Simple Shine. It's called simpleshine.com if you want to go check them out. That was really fun. I really like testing out like new products that's like not always makeup, because I'm one of those people who like will search on YouTube for the weirdest, randomest thing, like how to clean your stove or how to clean my mesh sneakers. Like, literally I look for anything that could help me out. So if you're looking for a really good shoe cleaner that's gonna clean your shoes in like 5 minutes and make them brand freaking new, check out Simple Shine. If you like these type of videos, let me know down below, because I'll definitely test out more just like random products that you guys want me to test out. So leave your comments down below, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!